Današnja konferenca je namenjena predvsem temu, da ugotovimo, kako slovenska podjetja čutijo do tega oziroma kaj dejansko potrebujejo, zato da bomo znali pripraviti vzdržen model za slovensko gospodarstvo, ki bi nam bo dal usposobljene kadre.
V tem trenutku imamo v Sloveniji kar veliko povpraševanja po različnih poklicnih kvalifikacijah, žal pa na trgu dela ni prave ponudbe. Drugi problem je tudi, da se vse več mladih odloča za šolanje na splošnih srednjih šolah, predvsem na gimnazijah in še manj na tehničnih in še manj na poklicnih. In na tretji strani so podjetja nezadovoljna s kompetencami, ki jih imajo mladi, ko končajo šolanje, premalo imajo tega praktičnega znanja, premalo poznajo procese v proizvodnji in zaradi tega razmišljamo o tem, da bi mogoče z vajeniškim sistemom ponovno približali podjetja posameznikom oziroma da bi mladi imeli več kompetenc za vstop v trg dela. Pri tem si bomo pomagali tudi z nemškimi izkušnjami. V Nemčiji z vajeniškim sistemom in z dualnim sistemom izobraževanja dosegajo odlične rezultate, predvsem v industriji, in menimo, da bi nekaj podobnega lahko izpeljali tudi pri nas.
You have to make a little bit more promotion in the schools, and there is one argument for dual vocational training is you learn and earn. I think this is the most interesting part for young people, that they can learning by doing, and they also earn some money. The German experience is a quite good experience. Germany would not be so successful without this dual vocational training. I think this is a very good example which you can take over or adapt your system from the German system, because most of the small and medium-sized companies, they need these qualified workers and skilled workers, and it is pretty much easier for them to skill and to train them on their own with a theoretical part, and then to take them over in a full-time job.
First of all, you get young people for training within the age of 16, 17, so you can form them. They get a really complete partner of their staff and will stay longer than perhaps other staff members at your company. You can train it in these special forms for the company, but also within respect to overall knowledge and competences you have to. So you can be sure that somebody who is trained in Munich has the same competences as somebody who is trained in Hamburg or in Berlin. So that's just a few ones. So it's a comparison, the possibility of overall standards, and it's standardized by the Chamber's examinations finally, and they are done by the companies and the experts by their own.
Mi na Ministrstvu za izobraževanje, znanost in šport mislimo, da je pobuda za vajeništvo povezana z zgodnejšim zaposlovanjem mladih. To pomeni, da je potrebno urediti nekatere statusna vprašanja vajenca, ki niso urejena, ki so bila urejena že do leta 2006. Da bi se uredila, je potrebno konsenz delodajalcev, delojemalcev, staršev, politike, šol. In če bomo ta konsenz dosegli, potem je možno začeti s tem projektom, ampak mislimo, da postopno. Realnost je odvisna od tega, kdaj in koliko bomo dosegli enega širokega družbenega konsenza o tem.